Okay, we're going to be finding the equation of a parabola if you are given x-intercepts at one other point. Well, how would you do that? Well, the first thing you have to know is you're going to be using y equals a, x minus one of the x-intercepts, and x minus the other x-intercept. And you're going to take that other point. Let's see what the question looks like. A parabola passes through these two x-intercepts and through a y-intercept of 0 and 12. Determine its equation in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Well, what are they telling you about that? They're saying you've got to put your answer in standard parabola form. But, okay, let's try. We've got the x-intercepts of x equal 2 and x equal minus 3. So what that means is that x minus 2 in a bracket is one of the things that makes it 0. So if 2 makes it 0, then x minus 2 is a factor. If minus 3 is a root, if it makes it 0, then x plus 3's got to be a factor. So you know the equation looks like this. You get a mark for that. You've just written out the answer of the equation. We don't know what a is. Well, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Oh, 0 and 12. We're going to take 0 and put it in for x, and 12 and put it in for y. And that's what we do. See how 0 goes in for x and 12 goes in for y, because x is 0 and y is 12. Just substitute that point. You do it every time. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. Divide by minus 6, we've got a equals minus 2. Now, what are we going to do with that a equals minus 2? Well, back here, we've got to put minus 2 in there, and then they said we want it in standard form. I figure we should just substitute the minus 2 in there, and then just multiply it out, and we should have our answer. Let's see. X minus 2, x plus 3, well, x minus 2 times x plus 3, if we do FOIL on this, plus 3x, we get plus x, minus 2 times all these things. There's your answer in standard form. Y equals minus 2x squared minus 2x plus 12. Hey, this is a question that's been asked so many times on exams, and it's really not that hard if you learn how to do it. But there's a bit of thinking and steps. You got to practice this, you guys.